Here's where you can go to edit the quick decline message. This basically, if you have an incoming call and you're not ready to answer that call, usually to the bottom of your screen while that call is there, you can select the quick decline option and you can have it say to the person by message, please text me back, can you call me back later? Or you can also create one. So I'll show you now where to go to do this, and let's get started. In order to do this here, you'll need to be using the default Samsung Dialer app, which is this one right here. As you tap on that here, you'll be taken to this here, and whether you're on the keypad, Recents, or any of the other section, you'll look for the three dots here. You'll go to Settings, and once you're in the Settings section, you'll go to where it says Quick Decline Message, right there. As you're here now, you'll notice there is a few different options. You can tap on this one here. That's going to be the one that will do automatically, or whenever you get that incoming call, you can select from one of these options to send a message to that person. You can also create yourself one. You can just say, I'm okay. Okay. Very busy or something like that. You'll press on the plus and this now becomes one of the options to choose from in terms of a quick decline message. Okay. And of course, if there are some that you don't want anymore, you can press on the minus to remove them and you can add some more later on, like in